Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize image it exact size in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then we go to the file menu. Select this open and place option. Now I am choose image from our file. Now I am select this hook image and click open. We can see here the image. Now we want to resize the image exact size. At first select the image layer, then press Ctrl T on our keyboard, then resize the image in exact layer size. You want to change the size again another way, press Ctrl T again and go to the top option, and we can see here the height and width. You can change the height and width easily. Now I am change the height and width, then press again enter, otherwise select the check mark. Now we can see we resize image exact size easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.